Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 12X. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable Hey Google. Now go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There'll be showers with a high of 64 and a low of 44.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.